This presentation will provide an overview of the degree with the Archaeology BA or with the Religion BA, which are both offered through the same department, the Religion department. Both are part of the Language and Culture cluster for advising. In this presentation, we will go over the curriculum along with a first semester course plan and a 4-year course plan for both majors. We will take a look at GEs and potential exam credit and some department opportunities and resources. For the archaeology curriculum, you will be taking one core lower division course, which is Anthropology 202. You will have one lower division elective course chosen with your advisor. For upper division core requirements, you will pick one ethics and heritage course and 2 courses under theories and methods that can be found in a list in the USC catalog. Upper division elective requirements, you will have 3 courses chosen from cultural historical or applied analytic that you will be able to mix and match as you want. There is a capstone course, which is Classics 465, to kind of top things off. Here is a sample first semester course plan. You will be taking either Writing 150 or a General Education Seminar, a GSEM. Anthropology 202 as your lower division core requirement, a language or an elective. This might be a good spot for a minor course if you're thinking about a minor, or to go ahead and continue with your language. And then another GE. This is a visual representation of a 4-year course plan for archaeology for a student who is coming in without any other credit to the university. So the courses in red are requirements for your degree and for the college. So those would be writing courses, general education courses, and basic language courses. The boxes in orange are your major requirement courses, and the boxes in yellow are minor courses or elective courses. So that's the space that you have to play around with. Now the space can vary depending on whether you're bringing in some credits into the university or not. Here is the curriculum for the Religion BA. So the core requirements are Religion 301, which you should take as early as possible, and Religion 401, which you will take later on. Other requirements, you have 24 units of electives, and at least 16 of those 24 units need to be at the upper division level, meaning that they need to be at the 300 or 400 level. You have a maximum of 2 courses, those 8 units at the lower division level. So this is a fairly small major, and it's a very flexible major. This is a sample first semester course plan. So once again, you would be taking Writing 150 or a GSEM, which are both required during your first year. Religion 301 is your intro course to the major, a language or a minor elective if you have tested out of the language, and then an additional GE. This is the Religion BA as a 4-year course plan. So you can tell that you do have quite a bit of room. The courses in red are your core requirements for the degree or the college. So the writing courses, the general education courses, the basic language courses. The courses in orange are your major requirements, and the courses in yellow are minor or elective courses. So you do have quite a bit of room to potentially pick up a minor, another major, or just take a whole bunch of classes that interest you. Here are some of the GEs that you might be able to get through your major. For a GEA, you would be able to get a GEA through archaeology fairly easily. GEB, religion or archaeology. GEC, either or, depending on the course offerings at the time and what the topic is, if it's relevant. GEE, Archaeology, GEG and GEH through Archaeology or Religion. There's a lot of intersection between the two, and both majors are pretty flexible, so it just kind of depends on the content of the GE and whether it's approved through the department or not to count for the major. The department does offer a number of opportunities and resources that are pretty interesting, especially through research. Archaeology and religion have a lot of overlap, and there are some very interesting things going on at USC, and we do have an archaeology lab that has a number of resources and is a really fun place to be. Maymasters, you can definitely get some of those for archaeology or religion. There are study abroad programs, and there's a number of student organizations that you can join. These are relatively small majors, so you do get to have more contact with the faculty and get to know them a little better and have opportunities in that sense, which some other students might not be able to get. So that concludes the presentation for the Archaeology and Religion major. Thank you for listening.